What do you mean the sperm got mixed up?
Miss Salvador, I am so sorry. I mixed up your sample with the one meant for our VIP client.
Then whose sperm is it then?
You received Mr. Damien Green's sample. He donated it for research purposes 3 years ago.
Who?
Damien Green? This is his donation record.
How could it be his?
Do you know him?
Yes, I do. Damien Green is my ex.
Your ex? What are you gonna do about the baby?
This is all your deadbeat dad's fault. None of this would have happened if he hadn't run off with your engagement ring and pawned it to pay his gambling debt. Hey, are you okay?
I'm just thinking about the baby.
Maybe you should tell him. You know, he needs to know, and you might even get back together.
Absolutely not. He hates me. He can never know that this baby is his.
Oh my god. This storm came out of nowhere, cuz. Are we gonna die? Shut up. I'm not gonna die. Just monitor the flight, Grant. We're off course by 30 degrees and our altitude's 25,000 feet. Hold on. Wow. North America's best captain. You handled that emergency like a pro. Again.
If you lose control like that again, you won't be an LS co-pilot anymore.
Wait, Damien. LAX organized a 3-month training program to improve performance. And as a leading airline, LS is conducting the trainings. But it's a small program. I mean, even small tasks need attention, but why specifically did you have to fly out from Switzerland to supervise?
This training program has garnered a lot of attention from other airlines. It's crucial for our reputation as an airline that I attend. After all, I'm in charge.
Interesting. Because I thought it was all about her.
Her? Please, she's not worth the effort. Sure.
Ladies, drinks?
5 years and you're still within my reach. I won't let you go this time.
Lucky? Did you hear that Damien is coming to visit LS's Los Angeles branch? And he's not just a captain anymore. He's the president of the entire airline.
What? Damien?
Yeah, I know. Can you believe it? RK Airlines is sending you to participate in LS's training program. And you're not seeing anyone anymore, so... Oh gosh, wouldn't it be so beautiful if you two ran into each other and you fell in love again?
No! I can't be screwed over like that. Besides, it's a huge airport. There is a very small chance that we'd run into each other. Oh, damn. I'm late. I gotta go.
Good luck! You're gonna be the best flight attendant ever!
Thanks, honey. That's what I aim for. Oh, move! Get out of my way. Shouldn't you apologize for bumping into someone? Here. Is that enough? Get lost. Don't fuck with me. No, keep it. might have money, but you have no manners.
Are you being a smartass? Are you sure you want to do that?
My baby. Damien. Damien.
Damien? Why didn't you tell me you just got in? I would have waited for you at the tarmac.
Oh my god, it's the CEO, Damien Green. He's so handsome.
What? He's really the owner of LS Airlines?
Who's with him? They seem close. Must be his girlfriend. No chance for me.
He already has a girlfriend.
What I do and where I go is none of your business. But since you're here, why don't you show some of the newcomers around? You. Come with me.
It's been a while. How have you been?
How do you think?
Well, you've achieved your dreams of flying. You started the world's largest airline. Plus, you have a beautiful girlfriend. So you must be doing well.
How are you still smiling? Did you forget how you betrayed me 5 years ago?
Hey, asshole! The fuck do you think you're doing with my girlfriend?
Damien, damn it, get off of him!
What happened, Lucretia? How can you possibly explain this?
I can't, Damien. I love this man.
What about us? We've been together for 3 years. You've told me that you loved me.
Loved you? No, I used you, you idiot. I'm leaving you for someone richer.
No, I don't believe you. What does this man have that I don't
He's
have?
100 times better in bed than you are. Take him care, baby.
You're a dead man.
Stop it!
I love you, Lucretia. You. I am going to make you amends.
Lucky, the last time I saw you, I swore to ruin your life. What happens today is just the start of that.
You don't understand, Damien. I did it all for you.